of immersing oneself in a new environment helps the newcomer to become familiar with their surroundings, It is an effective way to adjust and adapt.
The utmost priority at Alstom and on the production sites is ensuring the safety of the individuals. We consider the various risks that we may face on the line as a newcomer. And so he's going to be able to experience situations that could potentially be future risky situations and be able to avoid them in the future. The other dimension is the emotional dimension that brings this immersive experience to life. So like when he's faced with these risky situations, he's going to have to react,
Hey, what are you up to? You are going to do me a favor by getting someone to assist you, right?
You failed to look both ways prior to crossing the street and you were struck.
I find it really, really immersive compared to PowerPoints or text. So I've been in risky situations and I've survived. And I believe the simulation is more significant. So it has a real added value compared to anything we could have in a standard solution or what we're used to.
And we assume, and we hope anyway, that this dimension will enable him to enhance the integration of risk and avoid encountering difficulties in the future, thereby enabling us to maintain an extremely low accident rate, which is equal to 0. This is our primary objective on the site.
This VR immersion allows us to save approximately, I think it's calculated 1 month out of the year, so it's not bad at all. That will free up some time for the team leader and the SME manager to do other tasks.
And a magical outcome at the conclusion that brings us a great deal of joy and will be highly beneficial for the website.
It was a little bit of an immersion in the model line. A nice presentation. I thought it was quite realistic and very close to reality. Extremely convenient and extremely intuitive.
Currently, Alstom's primary strategy is to develop virtual reality campuses in all regions of the group as part of their expansion plan. And Tarbes wholeheartedly embraces this approach with equipment that is already readily available. A person dedicated to this exercise who will also involve the trainers on the site based on the educational objectives that we will identify and how this type of material will be able to meet those objectives. So we're really at the very beginning of this process. We're confident that this is going to take off, given the feedback we've already received from people who have tested the experience on the sites.